Here we come to the freight elevator at the Civil Engineering Building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is something very vintage. I believe it's here. Very heavy door. There we go. Got the latch. Manual doors. Alright, let's close the door. I'm going to turn the light on. And now we're going to close the door. Shut all the way. Yep, got it shut all the way. Let's go up to 4. Very vintage. Can we go up to 4? Nope, it's locked. Let's go down to 1. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Let's get a cab view. Very nice elevator. Vintage, that's for sure. I believe this is a Montgomery based on the fixtures. We'll take this on another ride. Then we'll end it on 1. We'll end it on 1. Leave everything how we left it. Alright, here we are on 1. We're gonna open the gate. Manual gate. Now to open the door. Alright, turn the light off and close the gate. That's your retiring cam right there. Very vintage elevator. And I'm going to shut the door. Anyways, I think it's shut. So anyways, that's going to be it.